Starting my day off, ripping and running again. Headed back to the location to let the guys who are working on the doors in. They were a little late, which threw my day off, but it's fine. And then after that, I have to head to another meeting with my estheticians and my vendor for my skincare line, Obashi. And then, what else do I have on my agenda today? I gotta do some homework later, you know, story of my life. And finish wrapping up establishing my point of sale, because I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday because, oh my god, these people drive so stupid. Let's get over here. Because I didn't have all the information that I needed, so got all that squared away, and that's about it. Cooked dinner today. Busy, chaotic, per usual. Do it. Refinish.
Yeah, they're just gonna have to just cut it back a little bit and then.
Okay. No sports. All right. Looks so nice. Finished look. Still got some more to go on this side and then the rest of the area. Pass by. And then if you could just have them send me a message once they're done, so that that way I can
you want to let's work
on
on all the doors really fast?
Yep, so this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, sorry.
The front one?
Yep. And then this one.
1, 2, 3.
Right? Is that 5?
2,
4, and 5. Yep. So we'll leave the bathroom and then we're gonna do something different on this side. Actually, just do this one. Okay, so we have our ceiling tiles. Right now, being completed already. This is gonna be the retail wall. My husband and I are gonna do that project. They only have a little bit more to do here, some drywalling to cover this little beam up here, and a little bit more in the other couple of rooms as well. Bathroom vanities we have will be installed soon. So we're at the mall. Have to make a pit stop to grab some things from my hubby. And actually our kids as well while we're here. And then I have to go back to the spa. So it turns out instead of doing instead of leaving a couple of the doors the way that the frames are, we have to change that up. So I have to add in an additional framing where we're gonna put our sliding door, the barn door. And then for the bathroom, I'm just gonna have them to do the exterior frame so that everything is all kind of fluid and, you know, not looking different. What you doing? Okay. So they were working on that, and yep, and then I have my other meeting at 1 o'clock, so we gotta make this pretty snappy because I gotta get all the way back on the other side of town by 1. My camera is so awkward today. Oops, not the awkward. Alright, so let's see. Don't nobody want no Android. No. Nobody but you, boo. Where did we go? Oh, I think we have to go that way. So that's about it for me, though. we are all done. What'd you say? I know, I looked at that. So now I have to head to my next meeting and order some products. And I am stuck. Oh, there is my eyebrow brush. Ugh, thank you. Oh my God. I'm exhausted already and it's like barely noon. I'm not getting hangry. All right.
Where are we going?
I have to go to that meeting.
You need very little. Half a gram from this pinky line all the way to the bottom. What you're going to do with the blender is put that much on the back of your hand. You're also going to take a tretinoin, same amount on the back of your hand. Blend them together. Remember, blend with a friend. Blender with tretinoin and apply to the face. So it has biotin, prostaglandin analog, sodium hyaluronic, and panthenol. So these are the four ingredients that are in our serum. So it's called Nuso, and I can show you some before and after.
I just got back to the house from my meeting with my estheticians as well as my Obagi rep. My phone's glaring again. And it went very well. So we put our order in, and their turnaround time is rather quickly for, I think it's like 2 days or something like that for product delivery, so that always helps. And once I get all of my order, I will do a unboxing video so that you guys can see what we will be retailing at the spa. And what's left for today? So today I have to do some homework. I have to do some cooking. And then I was going to show you guys my holiday decor. So for starters, here's my table. So I love mixed metals. I think they're just so in and trendy now. So I have my golden black cutlery set that is a part of my regular decor. And then I did my napkins in a bow type of situation for the holiday, and then my snowflake placemats and my silver runner, and then that mixed metals kind of matches the candles. These I don't burn, they're just kind of like my Christmas decor, but oh my gosh, if you guys know how much I'm obsessed with Bath and Body Works candles, I got this one, this black teak wood. It smells so good. It smells like cologne. Like, it is a whole vibe. I'm gonna burn that now, actually. And then I just have this little centerpiece over my runner, and then my other candle on the opposite side that also has like the mixed metals color, the gold and the silver as well. And that's my little holiday table decor. And then I have another like table behind my couch where I just put out a couple little things here for the holiday. And my girlfriend Wendy, she actually is going to be on Shark Tank. You guys have to catch her tomorrow, Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Wendy makes gnomes, and she makes them for all types of kind of like themes or whatever. They're absolutely adorable. So I got a couple of her things for Christmas, the Christmas theme or whatever. So another runner behind my on my table, I should say. And this is, I don't really have much going on down here. This is just kind of like my regular stuff. I used to have a eucalyptus plant in there. I have to repot it. And then I did that little kind of play with some Christmas type of themes there. And then my table setting over here. This was my my harvest and Thanksgiving theme decor. I have to get this put away and put out my Christmas, what do you call this? Coffee table decor. I haven't done that yet. Another Bath and Body Works candle because I'm obsessed. Smells so good. And then I have this little snowman. I think my cat probably knocked that over. Snowman little thing inside of my little planter there. And then on my fireplace, I have another gnome there. And my tree is like rose gold and white and gold. So this little baby just kind of ties that in. And then I have to put, I wanted to take this red stocking off because I have another white one I'm gonna switch and put there. But then up here I have like all of our stockings, and then just some little decorative type of things going on my fireplace. And then this is our tree. I'm obsessed with my tree. I think it's so super cute. And I don't know why on the screen it looks like the lights are flickering, but they're not in real life, but whatever. So yeah, just some gold and rose gold and silver type of items there. And my bow, I love my bow. I always do a bow. I never really do a star or an angel. I always just do a pretty bow at the top and then my ribbon to kind of set it off. And my kiddos helped me to do doing the tree this year. They did a really good job. And then of course my husband kind of does the setup with them, and then I do the bow at the top and then the ribbon kind of coming down the tree as well. So I've got some ornaments that have been with us for quite a while, and every year I kind of just go in and add like, you know, new things to them or whatever. So that's the basic holiday decor. And once it gets dark, I'll show you guys my outside decor that my hubby did. Yeah, and that's it. Here is my wreath. Oh my gosh, my dogs are acting crazy. My door wreath. That also is kind of like that white and gold color. Tie everything all together. And then I have this little sign here. It got beat up during our move, but I was like, whatever, I'm still gonna use it. And then just our regular signage here. And hubby is doing something on the ladder over there. I hope he doesn't. He's like the Puerto Rican national lampoons. Is it working?
No, they're fine.
Oh, okay.
Just gotta add more to it.
Oh, you're adding more? Oh Lord, please be careful. We don't need no accidents today. I just de-weeded my yard here. We're gonna be changing out all of the mulch and putting some pretty rock there, so that way it just looks cleaner. And then probably something to go along the sides to trim it up and edge it so it looks really nice. That's about it. I'm gonna light these candles and then have me a beverage so that I can try to relax a bit before I start cooking. And then I'll probably do some homework in a little bit. And freaking story of my life, I feel like I'm always doing homework. Oh my god, I'm like burning myself over here. But yes, these Bath and Body Works candles, y'all, I'm telling you. I think I showed y'all my other one, the Fresh Morning scent, in my other video. Oh my god, it smells so good. Refresh Fall Morning is what it's called. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And I may have to go to back to the spa later on, because once the people are done doing the door encasings. So basically what they're doing is, let me see if I can explain it. This part that you see here of like the door frame. So they are removing the entire inside and outside of the door, the current door frame that's there, and they will be replacing that, and it's gonna look like that smooth, like if you guys have seen the baseboards that are like super flush and smooth, that is the type of style that they have to do that will encompass and be able to hold the structure of the glass door, because we're getting frosted glass doors on all of the exam rooms. So it is going to be so pretty. I'm so excited about it. So I will share that with you guys once it's all said and done. And I think that is it for now. But anyway, thank y'all for tracking along my day with me for episode 2 of my Vlogmas. And I will be getting back with you guys for episode 3 tomorrow. I'm going to do a mock facial with one of my estheticians who will be training, and along with my lead esthetician. So I will take you guys along along the ride for that, so you can kind of see how we're gonna do our facial process. And I'm super excited to share all of this with you guys. So that's it for now. So if you guys have questions or comments or concerns, drop them down below in a comment, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't you forget to hit the bell for notifications and subscribe. And other than that, I will see you guys next time for episode 3 of Vlogmas. So there it is. We did a good job. Even put the lights on the patio. Red and green. Good job, babe.